So in this video, I want to discuss a quick lesson to help ease the anxiety and help you take your jump if you're struggling to just finally pull the trigger and become location independent. So I want you to remember, it's all the same. You know, this might run contradictory to the rest of the course where I'm teaching you all these different ways to be location independent. But keep in mind, this course is about optimizing and excelling while you're location independent. In terms of the basics, all you need is a computer, a cafe, an office, or a desk, wherever you like to work from now, and some kind of internet connection, whether that's 3G or Wi-Fi. That's about it. Everything else you can figure out as you go. So if you're feeling scared, just think about the immigrant. You know the one who comes over from Korea, Vietnam, India, doesn't speak any English, and yet they open a business, they raise a family, they figure out how to pay taxes. I mean, wherever you go, you don't have to worry about getting a job. You already speak English, which puts you above just about any other immigrant in terms of being able to speak to local people who will most likely speak some English. And you don't have to figure out paperwork and getting along with the government. So compared to that immigrant who faces all those struggles and can pull it off, I'm sure you can too. Now, as much as it's all the same and you don't have to worry, there are a few things to keep in mind. Psychologically, there's some differences. As you travel, you're going to lose your social network in terms of face-to-face interaction. So it's important that you keep up with people through Skype and WhatsApp and just stay in touch with your friends and also build a local social network as well. Now, on the positive side, you're going to have a lot more excitement and inspiration as you travel. For someone like me, I'm kind of ADHD, I work much better when I travel. When I have excitement and inspiration in my life, I get way more done. Just the other day, I'd been struggling for a few days to get any work done, and that was working kind of from this hotel room in a really peaceful environment. I finally started cranking out the work in the middle of this bar while the Barcelona-Madrid football game was on and everyone was bumping into me and getting wasted, and I just zoned in and working. So if you're like me, you'll get even more done while you travel, but either way, just remember, it's all the same, and it's not a big deal. You can do it.